Miss, I'm really interested in this tractor. Can you tell me some more about it?
I was sleeping last night.
Miss? Well, here I am at the store trying to buy a tractor, and this person keeps ignoring me. How rude. Well, here I am at the store trying to buy a tractor, and this person...
When it comes to your next tractor, why trust any big box store? At Apple Farm Service, our salespersons are trained and knowledgeable on all aspects of everything we sell. Trust your local Apple Farm Service with your next Coyote tractor. Backed with a 6-year warranty, Apple Farm Service offers a large selection of Coyote parts and certified Coyote service. Learn more at applefarmservice.com/Coyote.